In today's video, I'll show you how to change to a student plan on YouTube Premium. First, go to YouTube and make sure you're signed in. Click your profile icon at the top right, then select Purchases and Memberships. Next, tap Manage Membership, then click Deactivate and follow the prompts by selecting Continue to Cancel. Click Next, then Cancel Premium to finish canceling your current plan. After that, click Learn More under YouTube Premium, then select Go YouTube Premium. Choose the student plan and click Confirm, then tap Continue. Enter your details to verify your student status. And finally, click Verify My Student Status to activate the plan. And that's it. That's how you change to a student plan on YouTube Premium.